I have got a great idea. What if we trade gold 15 minutes after a major news release? We won't use any stop loss. I have back tested it and all the trades hit the take profit.
Hello and welcome back to Trading Strategy Testing. There is always a need to learn more about the best stocks, forex and commodity trading strategies, which is the purpose of this channel. We enjoy trading, we just wanna teach it with live market actions. One of my students suggested a strategy to trade gold. She has tested it previously and told us that it works all the time. Alright, let's give it a try and see. But before that, if this is your first time here, consider subscribing to the channel and give this video a thumbs up to help the channel grow and encourage us to make more content in future. Let's get started.
As usual, we will start by introducing the strategy and the dataset we will be using to backtest our strategy. We will carry out our test while answering some of your questions from the comment section. At the end, we will share with you the results and our feedback and recommendations. The unemployment rate is an important figure in forex and other financial markets. It is the percentage of the unemployed in the total workforce of a certain country or an economic zone. The total workforce consists of various categories. To sum up, the national unemployment rate represents the proportion of the number of unemployed people to the total number of people who have the ability to work. Due to its major impact on financial markets, the unemployment rate indicator is closely monitored worldwide. In today's video, we will focus more on the US unemployment rate figure, which is released by the Bureau of Labor Statistics in the United States every first Friday of the month, and try to trade gold according to the released figures. We can see here the latest monthly unemployment rates for this year. We will use these figures later in our backtesting process. In fact, there are a lot of theories about the impact of the unemployment rates on the healthiness of the economy and the forex market performance. To make things simple, we can assume by logic that the lower is the unemployment rate, the better is the economy. The same rule is mentioned on this website, which is forexfactory.com. When the actual figure, which is the one released by the authorities, is lower than the figures estimated by expert, the market should be bullishing. For more info, I would suggest you to read a great book in this subject named Forex Trade the News by Tony Long. Alright, we have extracted the unemployment rate figures for the past 12 months. We can see that we have three columns. The first one represents the date where the data was released. In general, it's made public at 8:30 a.m. Eastern Standard Time on the first Friday of every month. The second column is for the actual figure released by the Bureau of Labor. The third one highlights the forecast or the estimation of the economist, and the last column is where the last month figure is listed. To better visualize the figures, we have prepared a spreadsheet where we show the anticipated performance of some of the major pairs based on the released figures. To recap, if the real or actual unemployment rate is lower than the forecasted one, the local economy would react positively to the news. And the value of the USD will appreciate against other financial currencies. This also impacts other markets such as stocks and commodities. In our video today, we will focus more on the reaction of gold, which has a negative correlation with the USD. We have also included the possible reaction of some major forex pairs for your reference. You can download this template for free from the link available in the description box. The negative correlation between gold and USD makes gold bullishes when the US unemployment figures are negative and vice versa. You can check out our live market trade video where we traded gold during a major news release situation. My student suggested that we should enter the market 15 minutes from the instant where the unemployment rate figure is released. Since we are based in Europe, the actual time is 1:45 p.m. and the results are released at 1:30 p.m. We will target 10 pips and trade without a stop loss. Since we are trading gold, we will go long if the actual value is below the forecast and go short in the other scenario. Alright, let's start backtesting. We will record the trades, whether the trade was successful or not. Once done, we will share the results and give our personal comment. While waiting, let's answer one of the interesting questions you left in the YouTube comment section. The question is from James Bailey, who wanted to know why we didn't use a trailing stop loss when we made the video backtesting the MACD strategy 100 times. Well, this is a good question, as we always highlight the importance of using a trailing stop loss, and we have used it many times in the live market trades we made on this channel. Well, James, using a trailing stop loss will definitely improve our profitability, as it allows riding strong trends. But for the sake of making the experiment simple and also to encourage traders to backtest their strategies, we preferred to trade with a firm static stop loss. Other than that, using a trailing stop loss might misrepresent the effectiveness of a strategy. Imagine we come across few strong trends where we made an important number of pips. Such profit might cover many losing trades, and the strategy could appear profitable, but will dramatically fail if we use it in a forex pair known for its relative long periods of consolidation or market uncertainty. But we still encourage traders to use a trailing stop loss in some situations to make the most out of their trades. If you are interested, let's get this video to 1,000 likes to encourage us to make a video sharing the best times to use a trailing stop loss with some live examples as usual. Well, thanks James for the question. Feel free to leave your questions in the comments section. We always enjoy answering them and even make videos to address them with actual facts. We have just finished the experience. You can notice that we have only recorded 3 losing trades against 10 winning ones. Does that mean that the strategy is successful? Well, before we decide, let's review the losing trades. In one of the losing trades, we can notice that we were anticipating a bearish price direction. The price went in our favor and touched the take profit level. That seems perfect, right? But if we explore the situation further, we will find out that the price will not necessarily hit the take profit in this situation. When a major news is released in Forex, the spreads tend to be huge to the extent that the price fails sometime to trigger our take profit. Other than that, you can notice that the price went drastically against us afterwards, and since we didn't place a stop loss, we will probably incur some serious losses. In the second analysis, we can notice the long wigs, which represents a strong market uncertainty. This situation occurs when the actual and the forecast figures are equal, or when the news release is followed by a major geopolitical event. We also need to add that the non-farm employment change figure is released together at the same time with the unemployment rate, which might make the market uncertain and hard to predict. So the important question is, do we recommend this strategy or not? Well, definitely not, even with such results. One losing trade is enough to wipe up all the profit we could have made earlier. Trading without stop loss is a major concern, especially after we made the video where we placed the same trades with and without stop loss. Other than that, gold could also be affected by other currencies and major events such as inflation, ETFs, and the price of USD could react to the price of some commodities or even indices. We would discourage Forex or stock traders from entering the market shortly after the release of a major news event. Even with a stop loss, the huge spreads might get the price to hit your stop loss within seconds. You can check out the video where our trade was closed within seconds after the release of a major news. The best way to trade news is to carry out a fundamental and technical analysis few hours before the release and use a trailing stop loss as soon as the news is made public. We have previously shared this strategy on this channel with a live market trade. Let us know your opinion in the comment section. Thanks for watching and happy trading.